this season 34 sa ML ay isi-share ko sa inyo ang hero na maaaring magbuhat sa inyo papuntang mythical glory. Okay, so dito ngayon mga idol, ang ginamit ko ay si Pupol in Koopa. So sa tingin nyo ngayon, ang rank ko nito ay Legend 5 4 star. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman yung history na meron ako mula Legend 5 papuntang Mythic. So ito makikita nyo mga idol, ayan. Puro MVP tayo mga lods. Tapos natalo ako ng isa kasi nga nawala yung wifi namin. So ito yon hanggang dito. Yan. Puro MVP yan mga idol. Yan. Yan. So dito naman sa profile mga lods, ang battlefields ko ay 54 matches na 70.37 win rate. So dito, yung nagbuhat sa akin mga idol ay si Pupol in Koopa na merong 44 matches and 79.5 win rate. So this time, mga lods ay Legend 1 5 star na ako. So ngayon, maglalaro ako para makita nyo kung sakaling makaka-mythical glory nga talaga tayo or makaka-mythic, no? Okay. So start tayo mga lods. Alright guys, so it is pang 9 win strike ko na pala. So kapag manalo ako dito, 10 win strike na ako. Kaya naman dinocument ko para ipakita sa inyo kung talagang effective nga ba si Pupol in Koopa para makamitik kayo. So sobrang tagal ng mga idol. So ayan na guys, finding kalaban. So heto na nga par, magja-jungle ako par. Okay guys, chat ko na. Please ako na jungle pang 10 win strike. Ito na. Right, so makikita nyo dito guys, jungle user lang talaga ako. Ayan. Jungle Pupol. So 46 jungle ako, no? Makikita nyo sa history guys. So ang binaban ko lang talaga lagi ay si Hylos kasi sobrang kunat niyan makalaban guys. Mga loads, ano pong picking niya yan, low card, mas sana alpha na lang.
Test. Alpha is online.
So yung ban namin ay Hylos, Tigreal, Chang'e and Jillian. Sa kalaban naman, Teresla, Gatot, Kofra and Alice. So, first pick namin ay Alpha. Kalaban first pick nila ay Carry. And then, second pick nila ay Tapos. So, dito guys, bala ko sana yung palas pick si Pupol eh. Mabigat na kalaban yan si Tamos Idol.
I am the moonlight that breaks through the darkness.
Mag-auto-pick kaya ako.
Pupol and Koopa are the best partners in the world!
Papakita natin yung ating matches.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Ang kasama natin guys. Ipul tayo.
Let's get this over with. I'm starting to get bored.
Nice, Parikoy.
Love outshines the golden crown.
Galing Ninjo ah.
Daggers. Guess the nobles can't handle them.
Alright guys, so here up the lineup. Alpha, Koopa, yung Pupol, Mia, yan, Odette, and meron kaming extra sa kalaban naman. Mabigat yung kalaban namin. Kari, Tamos, Beleric, sino ba ito? Vexena, and Goshen.
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Pupol ako.
Ultimate deployed.
Talaga yung pwede. Kasi hindi naman to makulim sa mana siya. So sana manalo. Medic na.
These people are so boring.
Para sana magagamit sa bahay guys.
Request backup. Uh-oh. I'm running out of pranks to play. Initiate retreat.
Oh, loading.
What are you laughing at? Initiate retreat, boys, in Northern Vale. Come and protect me, Koopa.
Sino lang guys naka-rescue?
Don't go away. Our game isn't over.
Yun, level 4.
Initiate retreat, Koopa. Wait for me. Yo, yo! Time to beat them up, Koopa. Launch attack.
Nice. Patay na.
You have slain an enemy.
Sorry guys, nakakiis pa ako guys.
Launch attack. Push first. Don't move, don't move. I'm aiming my spears at you. Ally has launch attack.
Turtle guys, turtle muna.
Attack the motor. Attack the turtle.
Lang ya guys, wala akong kasama sa turtle.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Come and protect me, Koopa.
Wala kasi kami turtle.
Go back to Popo. Come and protect me, Koopa. Go back to Popo. Enemy has been slain.
Hindi lang napatay. Ang daily.
They are gonna be so impressed by us. Aren't they, Koopa? Ult is not ready. Launch attack. Okay. Go, Koopa. Slain. 4 fools to victory isn't easy. Go back to Popo. Enemy has been slain. Go, Koopa. Shut down. You have slain an enemy. Has been slain.
Pag natin yan guys.
Launch attack. Launch is Popo's best friend and only friend.
Push first, guys.
Your team destroyed.
Lagpagin na natin yan. Bawang na tayo sa goal.
Mega kill. Launch attack. Thank you. Launch attack. Uh-oh.
Okay din yung
I'm running out
pinagsama
of
ulit at
pranks to
saka
play.
istes, oh. Grabe mag-slowed ang kalaban, guys. Lalalim na ako, guys.
You just blocked my way. Dum-dum Koopa. Protect me, Koopa.
Gusto naman yung maripat. Okay, tayo. Nagsama-sama ba naman yung kato? Naku. sorry guys, sorry. Lumalim ako, guys. Nice ng alpha, guys. Ganda ng galawan. Inaasahan kong magiging masakit yung Tamos. Pero yung Baylor yung masakit.
You know what? Carrying 4 fools to victory is a
Turtle tayo, guys.
down.
Turtle.
Launch attack. Launch attack. These people are so slain.
Okay na, mali, guys. Mali, sorry guys, sorry.
Killing spree. Come and protect me, Koopa. Oh, is not ready. Launch attack. Don't move. I'm sending my spirit at you. Go, don't mess with Paw. Your team destroyed a
Kala mo,
turret.
ha?
Slain.
Kala niya, uwi na ako, guys. Yung pala, ito surprise at ako lang siya.
Come and protect me, Koopa! You destroyed a turret! Uh-oh! Launch attack! Enemy has been slain! Your team destroyed a turret! Don't mess with Paw! Come and protect me, Koopa! Come and protect me, Koopa! You just blocked my way!
Lalim na to,
Dum
guys.
Dum Koopa!
Hindi ko magagalawin yan, guys.
Don't mess with Paw! Koopa is Pawpaw's best friend. And only friend. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Pagat lang yan.
Your team destroyed a turret. You know what? Killing spree. Launch attack. Launch attack.
Tama yan, guys.
Launch attack.
Grabe, guys. Nice
Oh,
game.
not ready.
End na namin to.
Come and protect me, Koopa! Your team destroyed the turret. Oh, is not ready. Launch attack. Don't move. Aiming my spears at you. Don't mess with Paw! Come and protect me, Koopa! These people are so boring. Mega kill. Attack.
Take the Lord na.
Attack the turtle.
Para sure win tayo niya.
They are gonna be so impressed by us. Aren't they, Koopa? Launch attack! Lane 4. Launch attack!
Right, guys, yung double na.
Don't go away! Our game isn't over! Don't mess with Mega kill!
Grabe mga lods. Ew. Nag-metric na naman ulit tayo dito. Galing ng galawon mga lods. Metric tayo guys. Yun, patient na tayo. Ayan, so makikita nyo guys, 10 win strike. You are on a 10 win strike in rank.